Guys, welcome. This is Jenny. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos that I put out weekly for you. So today, let's talk about purple shampoo. Who's it for, who's it not for, and how do you use it? Okay, so let's dive in. All right, you guys, are you ready? So I have heard from so many people lately that either A, they don't know what purple shampoo is, like who it's for, or they're not using it properly. So purple shampoo is for blondes, people with white hair, gray hair, silver hair, anybody that you would see that kind of yellowy tinge that you could get on your hair color or your hair. That's who your purple shampoo is for. So what it is it's a toning shampoo, which is why it's purple. So I have here actually my purple conditioner, which you can use shampoo or conditioner. I have the conditioner here from Surface, which is my favorite brand of a purple. You can see how purple that is. What this does is purple helps to counteract yellow tones. So it's gonna tone those unwanted yellow color off of your hair. So like I said, it's for your blondes, your whites, your grays, your silver. It is not for people with dark hair that don't have any blonde in their hair. For them, there's a blue shampoo that will help to offset your like copper tones that come out more. Not a purple shampoo. You're not toning the right colors there. So that is who it's for, who it is not for. Now, when do you use it? I like to use it when I look at my hair and I feel like, oh, it's getting kind of dull or dingy looking. I want to brighten it up. And then I'll use my purple shampoo. It'll brighten up my color. It'll make it look like I just got my highlights done. So I only use it as needed. It's not your everyday daily shampoo and conditioner. It's not something that you're going to use and then quickly rinse out. You need to use it and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes. That's gonna allow it the proper time to tone those unwanted yellow tones from your hair. So what I do on the day when I use my purple shampoo is I'll use my shampoo and then I'll like wash my face, wash my body, shave my legs, then rinse it and then do a quicker conditioner that day. So that is how you're gonna use it. If you're using it where you put it in your hair and you rinse it right out, you're not getting the benefit of what the purple shampoo is designed for. You're not allowing it the amount of time that it needs to tone your hair. So I like to use it, I probably use it like once every 2 weeks, and then it's a good one to follow up with like a deep conditioner. So you wanna watch the brands that you use. If you feel like when you use your purple shampoo, your hair is getting really dry, then you want to find a different brand because not all brands are created equally. Some dry shampoos actually do some purple shampoos actually do dry out your hair. I don't have that when it comes to Surface because they have so much moisture in their lines, but it does not weigh your hair down. It has brassy oil in it. So it's very, very pigmented, which means I don't need to use it all the time unless you're somebody who wants to have like that silvery, violety tone deposited in your hair, then it would be perfect for you to use it all the time. All right, you guys, so let me know, do you use a purple shampoo? Have you been using it properly? Make sure you hit a like to the video, share this with your friends, especially the ones that need to use those purple shampoos. It should be in the shower of every single blonde. Every blonde should have a purple shampoo. That is my feeling on it. I've always had a purple shampoo. I recommend purple shampoos to all of my clients that I feel that would be beneficial. They would get the benefits of them. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this with your friends, and I will see you next week. Have a great day.